Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting a free trial of YouTube Premium on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the YouTube app and making sure you are signed in to your account. Tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen. Select Get YouTube Premium from the pop-up menu. You will see an offer here saying try it free. You can get a 1-month free trial that will then renew at a monthly price unless you cancel it first. Tap Try It and an App Store pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Once you have done that, your trial of YouTube Premium will start. You will also get access to YouTube Music. You can cancel the trial at any time like any other subscription on iPhone by doing it in your iCloud settings or from the App Store. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.